We are back in content Manchester, and every time I return, the rise in water shows just how much this community has lost. I said if the last video hit 10,000 likes, me and Rajay would come back and scuba dive. We didn't reach it, but we came close. So today, instead of us diving in, I'm sending the underwater drone to explore what so many had to walk away from. The rooms where memories were made, the spaces that once held laughter, the places people still dream of returning to. This is more than just a vlog. This is a look beneath the surface, into the heart of what's been lost. Whoa, look at these people. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Noel here again, back in another video. So, I am here back in content Manchester, and we're not here to do an update video. We're here to show you guys underneath the water. So, I have brought the drone. Finally. So now, when you can get a see underneath the water and see what lies at the bottom of the water, what the houses look like, all those stuff. So, make sure to stay tuned for that. And also, I am almost at 100,000 subscribers. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, please do so now. I want to get there as soon as possible. Yeah. So stay tuned and watch everything and see what's going on. Alright, my people, as you can see, the water has subsided. Not sure how, but it has subsided, and it has subsided a lot. That is very fast. So what I assume the reason for this is maybe they have managed to open a new drainage or clear a path for the water to travel, because the water wouldn't evaporate this quick. Even if it stopped pumping, the water wouldn't evaporate this quick. Look at it. Yes, it wouldn't evaporate this quick. So that means they have managed to clear a new path. And if they manage to clear it out even more, all the water can go as soon as possible. So the people soon can come back to them home and things. But anyhow, we're going now. Do this.
Put my over this.
Alright, so next thing, look at this. This is what I saw on the news the other day. A lot of tadpoles. This is a lot of them. But in the news report, they say not to worry. This is a natural thing for tadpoles and thing. So yeah, it's not a plague, people. It's not a plague. Over here you can see it as well. Most of them take cover underneath the bush. Maybe because of the bright sunlight. Yeah. And then the next thing, let me show you guys where the water was the last time we came here. The water was all the way up here. All the way up here. I remember this bridge, I was trying to cross it. So you can see the dirt line. The water was all the way up here where the dirt line was. Where the dirt line is. So from right here all the way down there. And that is a big improvement. That's a lot of water now drained away, which is a big massive improvement. So we're going to go in, and people, if you are this far into the video and you have not liked the video, please do so. Please like the video now. It helps to suggest the video. When you like the video this early, it helps YouTube algorithm and suggest my video to more and more people. This way it can bring more awareness to new people or to other people that hasn't seen this video. Right here What is this? This water looks like it has dragonfly eggs in it. Not sure if you can see it, but if you look good, you'll see a lot of particles. It's definitely not mosquito. Mosquitoes right there. I assume that is mosquito. But these eggs are definitely not mosquito. These must be dragonfly. But let me know in the comments what type of eggs that would be. You think that is? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Quick look at this. As soon as the sun goes away, all the tadpoles come from this side and they come right in the middle. Not sure, maybe they are afraid of the sunlight. Yeah. That record?
Yeah, the record.
That tape?
The record.
What? Alright, good man.
You must have that chop off, you know. You know where you go. Ready up. Secure the drone. But oh yeah, man.
Yeah, if it's in there. Huh? Alright people, so I am in. Well, we are in. I forgot to introduce Rajay over there from Spearfish Jamaica. So it's two of us. You don't know me too afraid if you come by myself. So I have to bring Rajay with me. But anyhow, as you can see people, this one is a shocker. Because look at this. Just last week Thursday we were here and the water was all the way up to the roof. Now we can see the walls and the fence. Huh? Yeah, we have to find people. So if you're watching this video and your house or your home is one of the houses that was covered by the water, now you can see for yourself that the water has subsided a lot and there is hope. But not so fast because water is still here. But now we have a better insight of what the houses look like. So here it is. If this is your home, here it is. It's still not ready for you yet. The water has other plans. But you guys can see how clear the water is. And you know, real quick thing. Today, I will attempt to find the source of the water. Yes. I need to know where this water is coming from. That was one of the missions that I have, to find where the water is coming from. This was the clothesline that we saw the last time. Hold on. I forgot to spin on here, so and go back on the next side. But anyhow, this is the back of the house. Just last week we were up there. Just last week. And this banana tree right here actually floats on top of the water and survive. It is even growing. I never know banana tree can do that. So I'm going to still put the drone in the water, you know, don't get me wrong, because that's what we are here for. Plus the drone would have a better visual of underneath the water and things. So might as well put it in, right? Yeah. Look at this. People, look at this. Hold on, look at this real quick. Look. Look at this. Not sure if water is coming up here, but it looks to me like water is springing from here. Cause where is this coming from? Where is this coming from? Look. It stopped. Oh, it stopped. False alarm. But just now, the current looked heavy, like it was a lot of air bubbles and the water current was coming up. But it gone now, so yeah. All right. Also, remember, if anyone is here from the last video, you will remember over here, we were just as high as the orange tree, trying to pick oranges. But anyways, let's get a frontal view of this house. Look at it. Lovely. It's a nice piece of house in RJ, as you can see. Yeah. Them do a good job. Them do the wall, them paint it white. The door and the window, everything look nice and neat. Boy, nature is a hell of a thing. Look at that. And you can see right here, I don't know if you're not sitting underneath the water like me, but you can see some flower spot, and the flowers them still alive. Like the flowers them still, one of them still green. What am outside this? No, Roger! What? Oi! 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 Hold on, your selfie stick jump. Jump a while ago, selfie stick. Just a while ago. Roger, why your house are jumping in the water? What you do? Yo! So now you have to go in the water, Roger. So you don't pick up your stick? No, man, you have to go for your water. Yeah, your selfie stick. People, I hope I got that on camera. Get that record, Roger? It's the right there, sir.
No, I plan for going in the water.
Seat there, right? Yeah. Anyways, look at the tree. All the leaf from below the water is rotten. Yeah. Roger, so now people, Roger has no choice than to go into the water for his selfie stick. So let's see. Alright, Roger. So say I pick it up, Roger?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Have you used my skills, sir?
You have it?
No. You alright now? No, that's all going
on. Me circle it back. You circle. Let's get it on video if I get it. Anyhow, let's proceed the tour. Let's resume on the tour, my people. This is the front of the house. Oh yeah, I'm already showing the front of the house. So I could go on the side real quick. Like today, I did plan to go up there, so people. I was planning to go up there and send the drone down in the water and pour all of this. Yeah. So that is not possible for this side. When I go down more, which is more deeper, I should be able to put the drone in. Look, there's a container right there. This is the next side of the house. Everything look the same. Like these people really organize them homes, you know? It looks really good to me. Who knows? Big up yourself. If you're watching this, big up yourself. Your house look nice. It just sad say this something, you know, but you couldn't do nothing about it. We can't do nothing about it. This is just nature right now, you know? And even if we don't have a drain, the amount of water will spring up, drain couldn't do nothing. Because I actually say drains, but the drain them full. And I said the drain not flow, the drain just full. This is one at the back. You can see here, not sure if you guys are seeing it, but there's more flowers underneath the water. And more flowers underneath the water, and they are still green. I am surprised. That means that the flowers them good. Yeah, man, people, that means the flowers are good. Yeah. This is taping. Let me see. Rolling. All right. And it's going down. If you can see, the plants are still green after over 2 weeks being underneath the water. I honestly didn't expect that. Are these aquatic plants? I don't think so. But they are still green. They are still green and ready to shine again in the sun. It's going closer. Yeah. All right. Let's look at that shot. Hope it do good, you know. So I'm going to bring you guys to the setup process with the drone. So it's been a while. Those who know my channel know that I have this drone from a good while now, over a year now. Yes, over a year now I had a video with this drone underneath the water, and a few of the times I would have to service it, like the motor go bad, and I usually easy fix, you know. Just pull it up, WD-40, clean up the motor, good to go again. But this time around, the motor went bad again once more. The motor went bad again once more, and hold on. Yeah, the motor went bad again once more, and I had to buy new ones because it wasn't freeing up. Hold on. I'm drifting back. Hold on. But yeah, the motor wasn't freeing up. So it was stuck, basically, and not moving. So today, I just got the new motors. Not today, but I got them installed. Everything happened in a short space of time, people. So we're not even testing it in the water yet. We test it in the water, but not a water like this. I just like a bathtub, just to make sure everything will move and everything good. Anyhow, there she goes. Now the next step is to connect this to the controller, and then from there, go. Chasing go, and I switch on the motor. Well, once I switch on the controller, everything turns on. And then, how it go again? Oh yeah. I look for the Wi-Fi. So a Wi-Fi network should come up. No Wi-Fi as yet. This one doesn't work by Bluetooth. This one works over Wi-Fi. Here it is. Password. It asked me for password. Oh no, it's good. All right, so once I connect to the Wi-Fi, I'm gonna go back on the app, and I should have connection. There we go. We are live and direct. All right. We are live and direct, people. People, it's been a while since I have used this drone. Let me make sure the GoPro recording properly. The moment has come for the drone to explore. Are you ready? All right, how am I using? I take my first. That? No. Hold on. Bear with me, people. Good one, I'm gonna use this. Unlock. Oh, wait, shit. People, I wish the drone wasn't malfunctioning. Look how clear and pretty underneath the water looks. Look how clear that is. Look at that. That looks so good. OMG. Ah. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Hold on. It'll do its own thing. Hold on, the people. Hold on, the people. That's weird. Hold on. Because I don't want to think negative first. I could bring him back closer. I'm going to take it out of the water and drain it a bit. No, that don't make no sense. Right. Let's try this again. No, you can't do that to me. No. Hold on there. People, I don't know, I don't want to think negative yet, but the propellers are working, but it do madness. The drone is doing madness. The propellers are working because I bought new propellers and put in it. They are spinning because I tested that before we even bring it to the water. I would test it in a bath pan, so the propeller work. And they are working, but it do its own thing. Look at this. So I press this to unlock it. See? And that is not supposed to happen. Look at that. Oh no, people. Is a sign this? Is a sign I say, you know, see underneath the water? Is it that we are going to find something that we are not supposed to see? I don't want to think about it bad, but I need to tell Raji, maybe Raji have a solution. We just need to find him. All right, people. People, I never want to disappoint you, you know. I'm in a plan for disappoint you. So, I go load this in behind me. And then go find Raji real quick. Maybe he have a solution. As a matter of fact, I have to find Raji, you know why? Because Raji fix it for me. So he have explanation. Sorry, he have explaining to give you guys because I him repaired for me. Yes, people. So anybody tuning in, if you're here watching right now and you have reached this far, I must apologize once more for the disappointment. But no need to fear. I always have plan B. The plan B is to use the GoPro, you know, and put it underneath the water. Yeah. So people remember last week we had to crouch to go underneath the Oh wow, look at this. Right here is the gas station. Hope you guys are seeing it. Let me check and make sure the camera record. Alright, good to go. Now take a chance with the GoPro, yeah. Alright. So over here we have the gas station I was telling you guys about. It is empty. Look at they came in and removed all the gas. They sell propane gas for like stove and everything there. So everything come out. Look at them clean it out, which is good. Last week I was on the roof. Just 1 week ago. As you can see over there, You can see where they have some kind of foundation that they dug up. Maybe they was planning to do a next type of building a new infrastructure. But yeah, our fridge is right here. Anyhow, I came over here to view this house. Just last week I was here. And the person for this house, they saw the video and they appreciated having sight on their home because they haven't been here for a while. And here's the gate right here. Hope you guys can see it. Oh wait, right here it says children must be supervised. Is this a daycare home? It seems to be a daycare home because a sign right here indicates that. Anyhow, just last week, people, can you believe it? Just last week we were here. Just last week we were here. Hold on, the wind has picked up. Yes, just last week we were here, and as if you can see on the wall, the water line, we were up there filming this house. So if you're watching this video and this is your home, this is what it looks like right now. I'm not going to go any closer. I'm going to just show that front part. And as you can see here, they have a nice, lovely mango tree in the yard. It has survived, and it shall bear by next year. Let me go around to that side and see what's around there. People, look at the sky. The rain is coming. I need to move fast. I need to move fast, people. All right, I'm not going to go around this side. Never mind. I need to move fast before the rain starts to fall. All right. You guys are back up here. We got to move pronto. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna turn off the drone. Turn off this. Put up this. Them other things they can stay as is. But we don't want to wet up the controller. Oh wait, my GoPro need to change as well. People, the rain is coming, and this mic and GoPro setup cannot be in the water. So let me cut the video real quick. This right here. This is some bushes. People, the plants are thriving still. I am surprised. Look at this. This here is a pumpkin tree right here. Pumpkin plant, and it's still. Whoa, look at this house. Some of the roof is gone. And the water here is much deeper. This is a perfect place to put the drone underneath the water. Look at that. Right here is a perfect place to put the drone in. But first, I'm gonna find Roger and see if we can get the drone to work before we what's the word? We'll try anything here. Roger! Where you there? Roger is nowhere to be found. Roger is nowhere in sight. People, if you're watching the video and you live at one of these houses, and you know somebody, please put me onto them. I have questions for them. I have questions that need to be answered. Oh, this is a house. This is one big property right here. Look at that. Oh, see you there. Roger is over there. All right. So even on the wall, you can see where the paints are stripping off the wall. Wow, like now that the water is down this low, you can see everything from a different perspective, people. And the water is so green. It looks like a lagoon. No joke. No lie, the water looks like a lagoon. Right here is very deep still. You see the fat man we interview last week? Yeah. This is a film part. Oh. Yeah. But here it is. We were here just last week. Look at that. The water was all the way up here. John, may I come up now? Come look. Look at that. Look at the paint on the wall.
Man thinks I'm a thief, things are fair.
Yeah.
I think I'll be there.
Oi.
Watch it in a Noel.
Oi. It not go away. Oh, man, I put this behind here, sir.
You're sure 12 there, no one dry up the limb for that.
Yeah. So, Rajay, I have bad news. The drone malfunction. You have an idea why that?
The drone?
Yeah.
Wait, what I do?
So the motor them will make Insta point for me. Is either
wrong motor.
Either wrong motor or maybe one calibrate or something, but it'll do one mega madness.
See like the motor then, because it was some aftermarket motor them.
Yeah.
What we have to do is buy a second-hand one with good motors and just put them on this one. Because this one pretty much brand new, just the other day buy it.
Yeah, just buy it.
Yeah. But Noel doesn't really clean the drone properly, so...
Yeah, don't tell people them that. I like my tell. Anyways, so... Oh, one grave there, Sir Rajay. Oh, other grave. It's a barbecue thing right there.
Barbecue grill.
Come here, so other grave that look so. The water look pretty though.
Yeah, water look pretty.
People, tell the truth. I don't know if my GoPro show it as how me I see it, but the water looks so pretty.
Some part is crystal clear though.
Yeah.
Nowadays for them part they actually come from under the earth. Or maybe treat run off more now.
Yeah.
All of the muck and everything kind of.
Oh right, get it. Over there we have what looks like a barbecue grill type of thing. I almost thought it was a castic. Not sure what is this little section here because it is unfinished. But I definitely see a barbecue grill, a homemade one. I can't walk too far, because I'm not sure how them things set up. But around this side now, not sure what that is. If you have any idea, you can tell me. Oh, there's not much to show you right now. But anyways, we're going to go over there soon. I'm going to save that for later. Yeah, Rajay, I'm cut up because I'm over there all long and try to figure it out,
Always think about a different way to get some underwater shots.
Oh, yeah, look at Rajay, the people.
Yeah, man.
At that, me that say. Rajay go first, my tweet.
Let me make sure wipe off the lens. Alright.
So people, look at this. You can see where, what should I call this? The back of the home or the shop. You can see where there's a step here. I can see where this is a step they used to bring all these things up here. And it could almost work. Yo, watch my part of the boat,
Well, I'm going to go down because I get unstable. The breeze blow hard.
Yeah.
Of course, slow.
How much time you drop right here?
Around 3 times I drop already. So, alright.
People, we're bringing rope with me, but take too long right now. You have to look in there, so. No, top part right there, so.
I go with this.
Yeah. Put it here, under here, so. Anyways, put it on this. So I have my selfie stick right there, so I'm gonna use send out my GoPro. Anyways, so then bring everything up here, and as you can see, it almost could have worked, but it didn't work. So everything here is damaged and is no longer good. Let's walk around some more. People, I can't believe just last week we were here and the water was all the way up here. May I do a quick flashback to that now? We are here on a rooftop. Look at this. You can see where these people right here, they try to save their stuffs by putting it on the rooftop. And it would have almost worked, but not entirely. As you can see, water still got to them up here. And you can see here where they use plastics to cover it up to shelter it from the rain. But that proved futile. All right, so this is the back of the yard. And they have some nice, beautiful palm trees. Nice. One thing with Mandeville people, they're gonna have some nice flowers and plants. Yeah. Also, you can see here where they attempt to waterproof their roof from the rain. But that never matter because, you know, the water do its own thing. But this is the back of their home, it is still underwater. Like all them things here, I want to bring the drone and show you. So I'm gonna actually put my GoPro on the selfie stick and set it down and show you some things right here, so yeah. Don't get me wrong, even if I use the drone today, we're going to try to get our next one as soon as possible so we can come back and explore proper underwater exploration. Can you imagine sending the drone under here and exploring all between these areas and exploring all of this. All I'm have to do is just sit down right there, so, and the drone just go about its business. Yeah. We have the GoPro and my selfie stick. Well, yeah. So I'm going to send it on now once more and hopefully it not mash up this time again. All right, good to go. So let's do right here first. I hope everything is going good. I'm gonna move slow. This way I want to see. People supposed to see something under there. I could go in closer. That's the closest I can go. I hope there's something showing. I'm not gonna stop it, I'm gonna keep it rolling and try somewhere else. This is, not sure what to call here, but this is a different section. Not sure what you guys are seeing, but yeah, that is it. All right. Oi. Go make sure it's a record. It's rolling. My skin, look at it mash up though. Let's try this side now. I could extend this a bit. Still a roll? Oh no. It mash up people. It done for now. It done for. Wait. Alright, I'm gonna try something. People, if I lose the footage, don't cost me. But me I try. Alright, I could try again. No. It gone again. Lock off. All right, people. So I have tried. All right, people. So the GoPro lock off. It look like water gone in it. So look like I hit that feet. Hopefully we can recover the files on it though. Yeah. People, in the comment section, if if we come back with a new drone and do a different video, would you guys watch it? Make me know. Make me know if we would come back. I don't want to waste my time. Yeah, make me know if you guys would tune in once more and watch that video. Yes. So once we see the comment in this video, I will definitely come back. Anyhow, but definitely forget a new drone. So people, we have a PayPal link in the description. Please support it. We can get a new drone because of that. And as soon as possible too. Or I'm gonna have an Amazon affiliate, not affiliate. I'm gonna have a wish list, a link to my Amazon wish list. If you want to support the channel, because I need more underwater equipments, you know. I have equipment as I can say, but them do them time. So I need some more. I'm gonna add some simple things tonight. Some things are well cheap, some things might be costly, you know. But once you buy something, it's gonna remove from the list. So one person, so we have more than one people, I buy the same thing over and over. So if you don't want to support the channel or support me, same thing, just check out the link to my Amazon wishlist. Purchase something. It can be a light, underwater light. It can be a better mic system, a gimbal. Some simple things where not cost much money. So please, come back on, people. See there? You come back on. But I'm not going to bother with it because it keep on and shut off. So it don't make sense me use it. I have to just save that for next time. But the video is not finished, people. Don't get it wrong. The video is not finished. I'm still going to explore. Now that we can see even more things, I'm still going to explore even more things. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Especially if you have a house here or you have a friend that live here, you know? Yeah. And also, over there we have the two-story house that we went in. We are going to go in close and show you guys what it looks like now. Yes, I'm not going to go into it or onto it. Just going to show you guys from a distance. All right, so we are heading back in. I hope I don't fall. We don't want to fall into this water. Wait, this turn on again. This turn on again. Turn it off. All right. Right now, we have to do maximum control. Yeah, man, I have it, man. I have it on lock. I have it on lock. Oi! Yeah, Ajay. My GoPro, I can't show them under the water because the GoPro keep on lock off. So, I have to see there, Ajay, when I fog up. Anyways, I just float on and do a quick tour. You ready? Yeah, I do a quick thing, man, because we don't go down there yet. People, if you look here, you can see where the water, see that? The water is in the paint. And this house was once blue. Yeah, so you don't know if them come back. Well, to me, everybody will come back. But they definitely will have to do a lot of renovation. Yeah. Anyhow, let's head to the next side. I'm going to show you guys how far the water has resided on that side. You can see here the awning for this house. Oh, we didn't come to this house. Which one house that we come on? Yeah, it's this house. I did come to this house and sit right up there, on the top. Because the water was all the way up there. Yeah. If you look down there, people down there looking at us. So, I wonder what is this. If you're watching this video and you have an idea what is this, please tell me. People, it's just so hard to believe that this is somewhere where a lot of people used to live. Families and businesses used to be, and now everything's just gone just like that. Look at that. It's hard to believe. I can only imagine every night the people. This is why I need to interview somebody, you know. People, we need to interview somebody that live here. You know, we need to know if them dream about this every night and think about it every night. We need to know what them thoughts. So right now we are in the backyard. There's a chair floating right there. This part is definitely way deeper, people. So I definitely have to come back with the underwater drone because I can explore all of this. This right here is worth exploring, people. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of scary, you know? No joke. And there's a lot of flowers down here, a lot of plants, a lot of flowers. Yeah. Wanted Mandeville people, they might have a whole of a plant and flowers. I like that. Anyhow, let's get going. I'm kind of hurry and I speed up the tour now because the rain will fall soon and I need to explore one more location. Nothing's around here, so I am not going to go around there by myself. Yeah. As you can see right here, there is a palm tree and it's almost dead because the leaves are going black. Down there, that one is fully submerged still, but the leaves are still green. Yo, man, not lie. Flowers and plants, them really have a strong tolerance. If that is the right word I'm using. Yeah. Because if me was a flowers, I don't know. But I wither away and gone. Them plant here, them just dead the same way. Can tell this is a shop as well or a bar. Yeah. If this is your shop or bar, this is what it looks like right now. This is the current condition of it. Scorpio International. That's the name of this bar or shop. People, the wind is high. The wind is high down here. Down here is way shallow. I must see something. Yeah, down here is some more shallow. See that? That's ground right there. Just last week we sailed over these rooftops. But the water is very clear, people. Look at that, I can see the ground. Wait, I'm gonna tell you something. Oh wait, no man, you're so well deeper. Right here is way deeper. So I guess it have different variations. And here you have it, the house, the 2-story house that we were in last week. You get way shallow now. Oh, that's a still, which by the green shop there, that's a still deep. How much feet? Probably like 10 feet. So that's a 2 feet, 2 feet. Right, that's a shallow. Look how the water look clear and pretty, no joke. all these flowers, all these trees survived 2 weeks of being underneath the water. We were just here. We were just here in this yard last week. I'm gonna do a flashback now. Yeah. Go up there too. Well, I try. Wait, may I come hold on for your paddle? No, man. Go on. Ah, kid. Make sure you look out for the video now. Look, the channel name YowNoel. On YouTube, you want to watch it, pan? Yeah. All right, so the water was all the way up here. Yeah. The water was all the way up here, people. A whole heap of water drain me. Look at it.
Yeah, no, man.
Manners, big up. Yeah. Look at it, people. Just recently, the water was all the way here. Just recently, the water was here. It's so, not hard to believe, but it's so amazing. Like, nature is so amazing, but scary at the same time. Yeah. So, and it was draining over onto this side. Over onto there. But people, I am still yet to find the source of the water. I wonder when I'm gonna find it. When I first stay tuned for that thing, like, I'm gonna have to find the source of the water. I'm gonna have to record it show now. Yeah. All right, so I'm going back in. If you reach this far and subscribe, please. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers by December. I need my YouTube play button in December, people. Yes. Yeah. Push it. Respect. Yeah, up on the hill. I don't know where them get light from. Yeah. Huh? And next road there. Yeah. But the road there did cover to the water, but it clear up now. Yeah. Yeah, you have to drive the next way. I'm gonna tell you something, I can bring you go across. What? Next side? Yeah. Yeah, it's full up, man. Full up. Bigger than this. No, the road there, but it no cover up on the road. Yeah. Raj, you say ready now? Yeah. What that? Who for John that? I lie, let me see it there. Yo. Show it. Whoa, look at these people. A drone. Can see it under the water for the longest while. If you watch this video and this is your drone, don't ask for it.
Make sure I don't have nothing for the memory.
We're going to keep it as souvenir.
No, tell them to make sure nothing on the memory card don't want to see.
Yeah, ensure that nothing on the memory card don't want to see. We're going to see if we can get the memory card outside.
The memory card, we take it out already.
Oh, Roger take out the memory card, so I'm going to try and read it and see if he can view anything. Because we'll probably get the scene when it falls in the water, don't?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. How can I join this though?
It's a holy stone, the first name about that brand.
Yeah, first I see that brand here, holy stone. Oh, one of the propeller them broke off. That means him crash it.
Yeah. Too bad for him.
Yeah. Underwater shots. I beg him, my one foot is still. Though people. Me I come back with my drone, you know. I'll explore the water because you're so way deep. I can go into the house with the drone. I can swim in the house with the drone.
Inside that house.
Yeah. So then I know how to back up shots. Where? Which church? Alright people, so quick thing. So those are who wondering how the water smells. It don't smell bad, you know? Like it don't smell bad. It don't smell bad, trust me. I am here. The water don't smell bad. It smells like normal water, like for example, river water. You know, sometimes river water have a part where they leave them there, or a leaf and three things there. It smells like that. Yeah. And the outskirts now, you see the outskirts, like up there so on the edge them where things that are more circle up and more stagnant. There's our smell, but not a stinking rotten smell. There's no foul smell here. Everything smells like natural water with a smell with leaf and things and all them something. Literally people. Yeah. So to answer your question, that is how it smells. That is what it smells like. I can't remember where else I said that go. Right here, it's a church. Someone just asked us about the church if there's what if I see any drum on top of the roof. But every drum fly. Like see a drum over there. Yo, right here so deep. I cannot see nothing at all. Right here so deep. I have to come right here so with the drone. If you look over here, I assume that this is the church. Yeah. And the next thing people did I wonder if there's any. Oh, here's a drum. This must be the drum that you're asking about, but it's floating. Yeah man, them drum good man. Them can get it for use back when they're ready. So if you watch a video and you're the person who asked about the drum a while ago, your drum good. You know, dip on it, but it good. And the next drum over there, so. Yeah. Oh yeah, back to me that's now. Wait, what is this right here? Oh, this is a water tank. Yeah. This is a water tank. People, you want to say well deep, or you want to say scary? No joke. And it's like, oh, yeah. All of the roof right here gone. People, all of the roof here gone. Look at that. And see if we can go in a close-up look. See if we can go in a close-up look. I'm gonna put up this real quick. Yep, just as I thought. Just as I thought, it would look like this. You can't really see the inside and thing. Well, I can see the water is on the inside. Let me get in closer. You can see that water is on the inside. But that's about it. Yeah. But now, like, over here, some more scary. Yeah. People, if you're here and you're this far in the video and you are enjoying what you are seeing, please like the video. I would very much appreciate it. Yeah. All right. Right now the GoPro battery is low, and anyway it dead, it just dead. So I'm gonna head back around to everybody now because we are coming to an end. We have a next spot to head to, and We want to go in there before the rain start to fall and all that. Plus, we need to head back to Kingston as soon as possible. So time is against us. Yeah. I am still yet to find the water. Sorry, not the water. I am still yet to find the source of the water. I wonder where it could be. And then some knowledgeable people in the comments, watching the video, give me an idea as to why these trees are still alive, even though they were fully submerged underneath the water. Because when I grow up, and them tell me to water the plant, them also do not overwater the plant. Do not give the plant too much water because it will die. But yet still, these plants and trees are here and they have been fully submerged, but yet still, they are still alive. Somebody explained that to me. All right, people, so the video is about to come to an end. Let's wrap this up now. All right, people, so that is a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. My goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers by December. Please help me achieve that goal. I appreciate you in advance. Yes. And feel free to comment your thoughts about the water, about the tadpoles, about the homes, all the questions that I asked. Yeah. All right, people, I'm out.
See? What going? No.
I see that.
This the card. So really, want to say, walk one for that Jonah. Let me see it.
I'm going good, man.
My card good still.
Put no more drone. I see.
Hold on here on card.
No, my reach put in your laptop.
Yeah.
I'm not a drone formatted.
Yeah.
Alright, look at that. Underwater drone this done.
Yeah. They said that one they turn underwater drone.
Yeah,
that one they underwater again.
So, you watch a video on this here drone.